Happy Tuesday, everyone. Joel Santiago here, service writer here at Charlie Car Care in Elgin, Illinois. It's Tuesday, it's busy, and we've got work to do.
Today we have a 2014 Chevy Equinox LT. Today's customer came to us with issues with this timing chain, needing it replaced. We called, got the parts in immediately this morning. This particular job requires for the tire to be completely removed in order to successfully perform this. So we did that. This job took about 2-3 hours to get done, but as always, we got it done, got it out, leaving the customer satisfied and happy. Come and see us when you're ready, folks. We'll take good care of you.